Hello everyone, today, I'm sharing a useful context-related workflow and package, already used, but yesterday, the Nunchaku released its fusion model with context. I've been testing it for a day and the results are excellent, with fast processing. It no longer needs hardware. Let's take a look. I've uploaded an image here. Preserving the character's facial features. Then changed into Spider-Man's costume. He gave me this result, but the outputs from Flex and Connects always look greasy, as if a lot of details are missing. So I added NVIDIA quadruple HD upscaling model here. And this is the high definition upscaled result. Here's the original image versus the upscaled version, where we can clearly see differences in the eyes, with significantly more facial texture details and improved hair rendering. Let's examine the clothing again. The difference is huge. This image is around 15 megabytes. Let's recheck the generation time. The initial workflow creation took 129 seconds. It lasted 69 seconds again, which is extremely fast. I have 16 gigabytes RAM and 64 gigabytes RAM. These are my local generation times. I think it's already very good. Maybe those with 8 gigabytes can give it a try now. Let's review the workflow from the start. We'll skip the model loading part. We've added an 8-step LoRa here, but in our sampler, we're actually using 20 steps to enhance the details. What about the sampler below? I set HD repair and upscaling to 8 steps. This model requires continuous multi-image blending with other outputs. Just enable this node with Ctrl+B. We can fuse multiple images. We can also add these two nodes for triple or quadruple image blending. Needs keyword references. If we turn off image reference and HD upscaling together, it just turned into a sort of standard text-to-speech to image workflow. The text-to-speech to image process claims to take 55 seconds. Let's run a quick test. And we'll just hit execute. Since I'm still recording, I haven't sped anything up. You can see it's incredibly fast. It took just 6 seconds without a reference image, so it generated a Spider-Man for me. Now, let's open this node. After opening, we enter the keywords here. I use Google Translate to preserve the character's attire and details. The woman in the photo wears a black t-shirt, while keeping the text on the shirt. Then we directly paste and run it here, to see how long it takes and what the results look like. Okay. Let's check the outcome. It took us 24 seconds in total. And the clothing accurately conveys that his outfit has no major issues, but some details are missing. We might need to add some deployment steps. Let me organize this. For the entire workflow, I've packed and uploaded it to the cloud, with separate versions for 2340 series GBIS. Just download this one. For 2340, use this. For 50 series, use that. If you have a single model workflow, just download this workflow file directly. After extraction, you'll see this file directory structure. Just use the LP16 version. It's a multi-precision reference. The top one is single precision. You can run this directly, no matter your GPU series. Now, let's see how to use the package set. First, unzip the compressed file, and you'll get this folder. Open it. Open the file. Enter the management backend work flow. Once opened, you can start using it directly.